The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior.
The colors surrounding us as we close our eyes before sleep can influence both our brain and body in the subsequent hours and throughout the night. To attain quality sleep through the adjustment of habits and surroundings, it's essential to focus on two key aspects: our daytime activities, especially in the couple of hours leading up to bedtime, and the overall environment within our bedroom. As the bedroom is intended to be a tranquil haven for rest, it's crucial to explore effective methods for enhancing sleep quality and establishing a relaxing environment. This includes considerations such as painting, bedding, furniture, accessories, and more. Creating a calming atmosphere is conducive to better sleep. Thus, when selecting the room's color, it is advisable to steer clear of stimulating, intense colors. Optimal choices for inducing peace and relaxation include pastel shades of blue, green, yellow, lilac, and neutral tones. In addition to blue or green, we also know that other colors have a clear influence on our mood and ability to rest. Those are: pink is a relaxing color that helps us sleep, combats anxiety, restlessness, and pessimism. Violet promotes sleep, but be careful if it is very intense, it generates impatience. Brown, which we find naturally in materials such as wood or leather, transmits balance and serenity and makes us feel comfortable and safe. Gray is a neutral color that is associated with tranquility and dreaminess, but also with sadness. White is the color of cleanliness and hygiene. It provides luminosity and makes spaces larger.